Alright, so hello again. Today we'll see installation of DaVinci and let's go to the official website, and that is Black Magic Design, and this is the most popular software, and it is also used in Hollywood for their editing purpose. And there are two versions available for it. One is Studio, that is the paid version, and one is DaVinci Resolve, that is the free version and suitable for most of the needs for individuals. So we'll click on the download button and it will start downloading. So after the download is complete, I have this zip file. I will click on extract all and it will extract it here. So now it has started the extraction process and it is very fast because there is only one file that needs to be extracted. So now we can see here there is another folder, and within this folder we have the application. We will hit enter and now it will ask us for permissions. It has starting the extracting process, and once this is complete, it will start the application. So once this extraction is complete, it is asking you for permission and I'll click on yes. And now it displays all the requirements that are prerequisites before using this application. So make sure all these options are ticked, including the audio accelerator that is currently unticked, and just check it. And next you click on install, and now wait for all these requirements to be installed. After this, just click on the next button and accept the terms and click on install, and the installation will begin now. Now the installation is completed and we'll click on continue, and we'll click on quick setup because we want to set up a few settings that you will see on the screen. And here it checks for the graphics and operating system if they are suitable with your laptop, and then click on continue. And there are two options, 1080 HD and 270. We will go with ultra HD option for the best results and click on continue. So here you should select your file location and we'll click on the search icon and create a new folder so that we don't mess up with our data. And we'll click on continue, and here it asks for layout of the application which you are familiar with. If you haven't used any of these in before, then select DaVinci Resolve by default and continue. Click on continue and then click on start, and now your application will launch. So here you can see the application launch, and click on allow so that you can access the internet on your application. So here we are at the main interface. So here let's get a quick overview. We go to files in order to import some media so that we can perform some editing. And I imported a media that is my own video that you can see on my YouTube channel, and I import it on the timeline here and I drag it to the left. Now these are the play and pause buttons. Here on this screen, I can perform various things, like I can go to effects. Here are various effects. I can adjust any of them. And here are various options. I have the option of record here in order to give a voiceover. Similarly, you can explore various options in the bottom. Here you can see here we have a fusion option, editing option. This is the color mode. We can adjust it here. And here where we can control various parameters of your audio and access the sound library. And so this was the installation and quick overview of the DaVinci Resolve. This is highly recommended for those who want to do professional level editing. And that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.